Today I'm going to be reviewing Life Safety Pro's Children's First and CPR Kit. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. What a great idea. I'm going to show you everything that's in here. It's well labeled and it's meant for kids to be able to use this. I've had plenty of first aid kits where just things feel like they're just thrown all over the place. Let's open this up and see what we got. On the outside, you got a little pocket. It actually has some stickers. On the back, you can actually Velcro this onto certain things where you want to keep it, whether it be in your kitchen, RV, house, wherever that may be. All right, let's take a look. All right, there you go. You got some tape. Look, they even put it on a string. I mean, just little things like this. There's a lot in here. Everything is labeled perfectly so kids can figure out where things are if they need to help somebody, or just even for you. Personal needs, this is like your own medication, triangular bandage, emergency blanket, all back here, roller gauze, tweezers, your scissor shears right here, burn stings, relief, so you got everything you need for that. Bandages, regular, mini, and it even has like kids ones in there. So if you got a kid, they'll have a cool Band-Aid. Gloves, CPR mask, really cool. Cleaning wipes, bandages for knee, elbow, knuckle, finger, and an ice pack. And then even behind that, trauma, ABD pad, eye patch. And I missed a couple here. You got saline solution in the back if you get something in your eye. Nail clippers. I'm going to put up on the screen everything that you get in here. I mean, this is just such a good idea. I'm going to bring a little bit closer here. This does really well on Amazon, and I can see why. It's an Amazon choice. It gets 4.8 stars, 299 reviews, and last month, 200 of these kits were bought. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.